Imagine the perfect weekend. You wake up not to the sound of an alarm clock, but to birds singing. Outside your window, there's a dense forest or the bank of a mountain river where there isn't a single person around. You brew a fresh cup of coffee, but you're not in a tent. You're enjoying the full comfort of a modern smart home. Sounds like a dream? Today, we're going to show you the machine that turns that dream into reality. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're taking a detailed look at something truly special. This isn't just another motorhome. This is a true four-wheel drive expedition cruiser, the Changan Fengjing. And right away, there's one very important thing to understand. This is not some aftermarket conversion from a small workshop. This is a factory-built camper, designed and manufactured directly by Changan itself. Why is that important? Because it means you get factory engineering, perfect weight distribution, carefully calculated aerodynamics, a solid body structure, and the reliability of a vehicle that was designed from the ground up to work as a complete system. No compromises. Everything here is built to function together. Let's take a look at the exterior. Aggressive, powerful, finished in a rugged protective color, this camper practically screams adventure. The vehicle is built on the platform of a durable pickup truck. Its overall length is 5 meters and 99 centimeters. That number is not random. Staying under 6 meters allows the vehicle to remain within standard driving license limits in many countries and makes it much easier to park in normal city parking spaces. The width is 2 meters and 17 centimeters, and the height is 2 meters and 88 centimeters. And the fact that the height stays below 3 meters is a huge advantage. You won't constantly hit tree branches in the forest, and you'll be able to safely pass under most city bridges and height restrictions. The living module itself is built like a fortress. It uses a frameless construction with 5-layer sandwich panels that are 32 millimeters thick. On the outside, there is durable aviation-grade aluminum. Inside, there is extruded polystyrene insulation for maximum thermal protection, plus environmentally friendly plywood. What does this mean in real life? In summer, under the burning sun, the camper won't turn into an oven, and in winter, it stays warm and comfortable, just like a city apartment. But what's the point of a home if it can't take you to the most beautiful places? This is where the Changan really shows its strengths. Under the hood is a new generation Blue Whale turbocharged engine. It's a 2-liter turbocharged motor producing 233 horsepower and 390 newton meters of torque. And it's paired not with some cheap transmission, but with a premium 8-speed automatic gearbox from the legendary German manufacturer ZF. Gear changes are smooth, highway dynamics are excellent, and maintaining cruising speed while overtaking trucks is effortless. But its true element begins where the asphalt ends. The Borg-Warner 4-wheel drive system turns this camper into a serious off-road machine. You get a transfer case with low range, a locking differential, and 5 intelligent driving modes, from an economical highway mode to specialized modes like snow and off-road. Add to that a ground clearance of 215 millimeters, an approach angle of 28 degrees, and a departure angle of 17 degrees, and you begin to understand that very few obstacles can stop this vehicle. Now let's move to one of the most exciting things for any traveler: autonomy. Take a look at these markings on the exterior. They're not just decoration. This camper is actually a small mobile power station. It uses a modern 48-volt electrical system, which is significantly more efficient and safer than traditional 12-volt systems. On the roof, you'll find 800 watts of solar panels. These panels continuously charge a massive 10 kilowatt-hour lithium battery. To put that into perspective, this amount of energy can power your air conditioner, refrigerator, lighting, and electronics for several days, even if the sun disappears behind clouds. All of this is managed by a powerful 5-kilowatt hybrid inverter. Water autonomy is also impressive. The fresh water tank holds 160 liters, while the gray water tank holds 50 liters. That's more than enough for several days of comfortable off-grid travel. And take a look at this brilliant multifunction hatch on the exterior. When you open it, you gain access to 220-volt power outlets, control switches, and the water system. The fold-down panel turns into a small shelf with a stainless steel holder. You can connect an outdoor shower here to wash your boots or your dog after a hike, or even set up a small outdoor kitchen by placing spices and utensils on the shelf. Now let's step inside. The driver's cabin looks more like a premium SUV than a pickup truck. In front of you are two large 12.3-inch displays. But the real magic here is the 540-degree surround camera system. Not only does it show everything around the vehicle, it also includes a transparent chassis view. When driving off-road, you can clearly see every rock or obstacle directly beneath the vehicle. Above the driver's cabin, you'll find a comfortable double bed measuring 2 meters by 1.3 meters with an orthopedic mattress, and above it, there is a large panoramic roof perfect for falling asleep while watching the stars. Inside the living space, you also have a dining area that converts into an additional bed, a kitchen with an induction stove and refrigerator, and a full bathroom with a shower and cassette toilet. Comfort inside the camper is maintained by top-level equipment. Cooling is handled by a quiet KME inverter air conditioner, which can even operate while the vehicle is driving. Heating is provided by a premium diesel heater from the German brand Eberspacher. With this setup, the travel season lasts 365 days a year. So what do we have in the end? The Changan Fengjing Blue Whale Landtop is much more than just a vehicle. It's essentially a 5-star hotel on wheels that is not limited to public roads. It's designed for people who refuse to compromise between comfort and adventure. For fishermen, hunters, digital nomads, and true explorers. So what do you think about this 4-wheel drive beast? Would you trade a traditional hotel vacation for this level of freedom? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you won't miss new videos about the most interesting travel vehicles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again somewhere off the beaten path.